All right, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about something that is, well, maybe one of the most important parts of any online store, the product detail page, or what we call the PDP. Today, we're going to break down a super simple but really powerful framework that's all about getting more people to actually click that buy button.
So, here's a tough question, but we've got to ask it. Is your product page actually killing your sales? Think about it. You do all this hard work to get people to your website, but then they leave right at the finish line. If that sounds familiar and your conversion rates aren't what you want them to be, chances are your product page is the problem.
And here's why. The biggest mistake we all make is thinking that more is better. So we load up the page with every feature imaginable. We've got competing buttons, pop-ups, all this distracting info. And what happens? The customer gets overwhelmed. They get confused and they just click away. We're basically creating decision paralysis when what we really need is clarity.
So, what's the fix? Well, it's actually kind of counterintuitive, which is why I love it. Instead of adding more, we need to start taking things away. See, this whole framework is built on one core idea. Keep it simple. Your product page should only do the absolute essential things a customer needs to feel confident and say, yep, I want this.
And this right here, this is the mantra. Anything else is noise. Every single thing on your page, every word, every picture, every button, if it doesn't directly help a customer make that purchase decision, it's just noise. It's a distraction, and it's probably hurting you more than it's helping. This is the filter you need to run everything through.
So, what are these essentials? Well, according to this framework, there are only 5 of them. That's it. We need to 1. Call out the pain. 2. Show the product as a daily habit. 3. Make our bundles easy to understand. 4. Highlight the savings. And 5. Handle objections before they even become objections. Let's break each one down.
Okay, first things first. Before you start talking about how amazing your product is, you've got to connect with the customer's problem. The very first thing they see should make them think, wow, they get me. You're acknowledging the pain point they're trying to fix. Then, after you've done that, you can follow up by showing how other features solve their other, smaller problems.
Now, remember this. People don't really buy products, they buy a better version of themselves. You've got to help them see that. You need to show your product being used as part of a daily routine. This totally shifts the mindset from a one-time purchase to, hey, this could be an essential part of my life.
All right, if you're offering bundles or different package options, clarity is absolutely everything. You've probably heard this before, but a confused mind always says no. Always. You have to make it completely effortless for a customer to see what's in each bundle and, most importantly, which one is the best deal for them. Something simple like a good, better, best layout usually works wonders.
And that same logic applies to subscriptions. If you want somebody to commit, the benefit has to be a total no-brainer. Don't make people do math in their heads. The savings for subscribing should be so obvious it practically jumps off the page. Use big, clear callouts like save 20% when you subscribe, right there next to the price. Make it the most attractive choice, period.
And finally, you have to get rid of any doubt. Every single person has those little last-minute questions buzzing around in their head. You know, how much is shipping going to be? Is this a real company? What if I hate it? Your job is to answer those questions right there on the page. Use trust signals, have clear shipping info, and a really simple guarantee policy. Just smooth the path for them.
And look, this framework isn't just some theory. Here are 5 supplement brands that are actually doing this stuff right now. I'd seriously recommend you go check out their product pages after this. You'll see exactly what we're talking about. They all focus on that clarity and on these 5 key elements.
So let's just bring it all home. Building a product page that converts like crazy really comes down to those simple things we just talked about. Address their pain, show them how to use it every day, make your offers and savings super clear, and handle all their biggest doubts right away. That's the whole game.
And that leaves us with a final challenge for you, something to put into practice like right now. Take a hard look at your own product page through this new lens. What is the single biggest piece of noise, that one little distracting thing that doesn't really serve these core goals that you can just delete today? What's one thing you can remove to make things simpler and better for your customer?